Electricity derivatives. What is this electricity derivatives? Meaning, derivative contract in which underlying assets is electricity price. So, electricity price is considered as a commodity and it is traded in the stock exchange based on the demand and supply. Types electricity forward futures and electricity swaps. Contract to buy and sell fixed amount of electricity on specific future date at a fixed price of date. So right now in India we have limited company. They provide connection to electricity and they provide meters and based upon the usage you pay it. But in the electricity derivative contract they have units. This is usually used by the windmills and power generator companies that they know they have a capacity and they can produce this much electricity. But if the demand of the electricity is increasing, what they can do is the public companies who require electricity can trade this bond. That is, I have the credit of this electricity, you can buy it, or you can say, I want this much units of electricity next month, so I'm ready to pay this much amount. Such a way, buying and selling of electricity happening. This is why electric derivatives. And the electricity swaps, contract to pay fixed price of electricity regardless of floating electricity prices as vice versa over a period of contract. This is what example the swap will be given. I will pay you this much amount. It will be higher than the premium. If that crosses that bill, I'm not responsible for it. But if it lesser than the bill, I will pay you. You pay that bill. Like example, you going to a hotel or you booking a car anywhere. Whatever may be the peak time, if you pay a premium to it, they will provide you service, and that service will be the rate that is determined for you. It will never change. Whatever may be the peak time, you will pay that much only. Such a kind of thing is electricity swap.